Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's lesson is very crucial to learn because this is one of the best lessons you can learn if you want to master the Quran. Now, you see, Harakat Al-Fatha, meaning the alphabet that has Fatha. But here is the topic, Mawdu'ul Harafat, that is places or position which the position of each alphabet when it is in sentence. Now, let's go deeper before you understand it. You can see it. Here is alifun, here is alifun, here is alifun, here is alifun. Alifun in 4 places, but these alifuns has position when it is written in sentences. Like this first alifun is the first alifun, the position when the alphabet you want to call, you can see it. And this center alifun, this is the center alifun, that is the middle alifun. You can see it clearly, is the difference from this one. Then this is center alifun also, and this is the end alifun. You see it's Hamza, but alifun and Hamza are all the same. Now let's go deeper before you understand it. You see ba'un, this is the beginning alifun. You can see it if it starts from the beginning. This is how you see ba'un. You can see it right, and this ba'un too, this is the center alifun. You can see out they write it, the middle ba'un, sorry, this is the middle ba'un, then this is the end ba'un. You can see the difference clearly, and all with fatha. This is ta'un, this is the beginning ta'un, the center ta'un, the end ta'un, the end ta'un. You can see here we have 2 end ta'un, 1 center and 1 beginning. This is ta'un when it come from the sentence, the beginning of the sentence. Then this is ta'un, the center of the sentence. This is ta'un, the end, and this is ta'un, the end. Now let's go. Sa'un also, this is the beginning of the alphabet. Sa'un, you can see how they write it. Sa'un, the end. Jimun, alpha, the beginning. Jimu, the center alphabet. Jimu, the end alphabet. Ha'un, the beginning alphabet. Ha'un, ha'un, the center alphabet. Ha'un, the end alphabet. Kha'un, the beginning alphabet. Kha'un, the centered one. Kha'un, the end. Dalun, you can see this is the very simple. It is very simple. Dalun, when it is from the beginning, the alphabet, you can see it's like this. Like if I want to say dajajatu, dalun, dalun, the centered one, and dalun, the end one. Zalun, the beginning, zalun, then zalun, the centered one, and zalun, the end one. Ra'un, ra'un, the beginning, Ra'un, the centered, you can see the differences. And Ra'un, the end one. Zayu, the beginning. Zayu, Zayu, you can see it. You can see the differences clearly. And the end one, you can see the end one. You can see Sinu, the beginning. Sinu, you can see the centered one. You can see how they write it. Then Sinu, the end one. You can see it. There are differences. Now let's come to Shinu. Shinu, you can see it. Shinu, this is the centered one, and this is the end one. Sodun, the beginning. Sodun, the centered, and this is the end one. You can see the differences clearly. You can see it. Dodun, Dodun, you can see the Dodun for the beginning. When it comes to sentence, if the Dodun is the first alphabet there, this is how you will see it. You can see Dodun, this is the centered one alphabet, and Dodun, the end alphabet. Now let's go to Ta'un. You can see Ta'un. Ta'un, you can see the centered one, and here is the end one. Dha'un, Dha'un, the centered one, and this is the end one. Ainun, when this is the beginning, then Ainun, the centered one, Ainun, and the end one. Ghainun, the centered one, Ghainun, 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 the centered one, Ghainun, the end one. Fa'un, this is the beginning, you can see it. Fa'un, the centered one, and the end one. Qafun, Qafun, you can see the differences. This one beginning, centered, and the end. You can see Qafun. This is Kafun. You can see then the beginning, centered, and the end. You can see it very clearly. Lamun, the beginning. Lamu, the centered one, and the end one. Here is Mimun, the centered one. Mimun, Mimun, the beginning. Mimun, the centered one, and Mimun, the end one. Now, Nunu, 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 you can see it clearly. This is the beginning, centered, and end. You can see Ha'un, Ha'un, Ha'un has almost 5 alphabets. Ha'un, 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 Ha'un. This is the centered one. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. This is the centered one. The centered one. You can see Ha'un has 2 centered Ha'un. And this is the end one. And this is the end one too. You can see it. Ha'un has 2 centered Ha'un and 2 end Ha'un. They only have 1 beginning Ha'un. Then Wa'un, 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 Wa'un. Wa'un has only 3. Wa'un, Wa'un, Wa'un. This is the beginning. This is the centered one, and this is the end one. Now let's go. Ha'un, sorry, Amza, 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 Amza. This is the beginning Amza. This is centered Amza, and this is the centered Amza also, and this is the end Amza. Amza has 2 centered Amza and 1 beginning and 1 end. You can see it clearly. And now let's go to the last one, that is ya'un. This ya'un, ya'un, the beginning, ya'un, the sense, third one, ya'un, the end one, ya'un, the end one, ya'un, the end one. You can see it. Ya'un has three end. Ya'un, you can see ya'un, ya'un, ya'un. There are three, and the beginning and the centered one is one, and the beginning also is one. You can see it. Now this is the end of this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, and anything that you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.